How much should you invest? Personal finance is all about managing your money and making smart, informed decisions when it comes to spending and investing. Is now a good time to invest? The answer really depends on your financial circumstances and your goals for the future. Interest rates are at historic lows, making it a very attractive time to invest. Whether you're looking for short-term gains or long-term growth, investing now can give you the returns and security that you need to achieve your financial goals. The stock price has a lot to do with whether now is a good time to invest. If the market has been on an upward trajectory for some time, it might be smart to hold off and see how things play out in the short term. Stock funds and individual stocks can fluctuate significantly, so it's important to do your research and be aware of the risks involved. A market downturn is inevitable, but that doesn't mean you should stay out of the market altogether. Instead, it's important to have a well-diversified portfolio and balance your investments across asset classes and time horizons. This will help to minimize risk and maximize returns over the long term. If you want to learn more about maximizing your investment, check out our previous video.